Just that. Cool. So, go in with the left, jab it in, he sends it. First one, right, pass like we did earlier, nagashi, okay, pass, left, comes underneath, takes hold of his arm, I move off 45 degrees, keep hold of his limb, puts the pad up by his face, then I go 1, 2. See where we engage the hip, drive through the floor, hit it twice, nice and strong, nice and hard. Okay, so we just pick a piece of kata that you won't have come across yet, but some of you others will have, is that motion. Okay? Motion called kakete. When you pass it, you grab it. If you slow it down, it's parry. Parry and grab. But the idea is you must move off line to him. There's no point staying here and then doing that right in front of him, because if you pull him, he's going to hit you. So we get up the track so I can now destroy him. Right? And that's just a choice. There will be all sorts going on there. Just hit him twice. Don't worry if your front hand decides to go up. Don't stop. Carry on. Just grab it. Go. That's what you call a flinch response, because your hand's out here doing stuff. You might go, oh my God, what's that? Don't worry about that. Just grab it. Hit it again. But get the next one. Right, parry, left, underneath, move off 45. Sometimes you won't even be able to get the limb, it'll just shoot up over the top. Fine, you've still got a barrier there between you and him. Boom, and you hit him. Twice. Sometimes you might catch the full one, you get hold of him, you've got him. You pull him slightly, so he can't use any of his weapons, and he's off balance a little bit, and then you let him have it. Nice and smooth, quality over quantity. 1, 2, pop, pop. 1, move, hit. And 1, 45, take hold. 1, 2. Got it?
Push.
Go. Cheers, mate.